For a professional online store. If you have a online business, product photo are one of the most important aspects you should pay attention to. Around 90% of information transmit to the brain is visual, which means images are the first things that we will shift your visitor attention. As a result, providing attractive product photo will help you drive sales. That said, hiring a professional photographer to take photo of your product can be expensive. However, creating high quality product photo doesn't require a large toolkit or high-end tool. We will help you choose the best camera and technique you to take product photo for online store. Additionally, you will be able to use dress and product photographer tips to make money online by offer your service. What you need for product photographer: choose the right camera, get a compatible tips, light up the skin inside the background. If you step in taking product photo, define your ID, prepare your setup, take your product photo, edit your image. Best parties for product photographer: be consistent, trust out your brand, use a magnet cue or a model. So thank you everyone.